What's going on, boat people? I'm going to be walking you through this Sylvan 2022 L3 DLZ bar Tri-Toon, 150 horse. We've got this kind of locked into our showroom here. The exterior on this boat is black with silver graphics. Here's the bar laid out, seats on the side for when it's laid out. Let's lift this up. Right side first, left side second. Stereo remote at the back here. Now you got your bar, your lunch, drinks. All these cup holders light up blue. Let's walk it back into here, pull this back. Now you got a nice conversational piece here. Movable table, more speakers. Here's your helm gauges, place for your wallet, phone, depth gauge, JL audio system here, Bluetooth, all the nice stuff. This is a 12-passenger boat. Teak weave upgraded flooring. There's your changing room. Front seats here. Enough space to lay out in front. There is your L3 DLZ bar Tri-Toon. Thanks for watching.